How to be happy even if you have little money. 7 simple tips. Most people in our society have been made to believe that money makes the world. And when they find it difficult to get much money to live a luxurious life like their peers whom they believe have so much money than them, they become restless, unhappy and depressed. While we think it's a good thing to desire wealth, we also believe that you deserve to be happy now, even if you have little money. Postponing your happiness till when you become a millionaire isn't a good strategy. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 7 simple tips on how to live a happy life with little money. If you're new here, consider subscribing because we'll bring to you daily the secrets of success and happiness from great people and great books. Tip number 1. Be thankful for the little you have. Most times we easily fall into the habit of complaining and whining when we need money to solve our daily problems or live the life we sometimes imagine or see on social media. But do we stop once to appreciate and be grateful of the gift and good things of life we have already? I guess not. In a positive psychology research conducted in Harvard University about gratitude, it has been gathered that gratitude is strongly and consistently associated with greater happiness. Gratitude helps people feel more positive emotion, relish good experiences, improves your health, deal with adversity, and build strong relationships with others, all with the cost of nothing. What are the things we need to be grateful and thankful for without money, you may ask? Let me tell you, there are many things to be grateful for: your life, family, friends, nature, and most importantly, your health. These are things money can't buy. So if you want to be happy, even if you have little money, always stop to appreciate the good things of life. Kindly share 2 things you are grateful for with us in the comment. Tip number 2. Increase your self-worth. People with low self-esteem are more likely to be depressed. When you think that you are not good enough, when you think you are small and unable to achieve greatness, you are definitely going to be unhappy. Stop seeing yourself as being less important. Stop seeing anyone as being more important, brilliant, or beautiful. You are a unique being, and that's the only thing that matters. Tip number 3. Stop imitating others. One of the reasons why people spend too much money is when they try so hard to imitate other people or a certain type of person. Everybody has that one person that they admire so much and want to imitate physically, mentally, emotionally, or even spiritually. But what if imitating that person to some extent is really going to cause a huge change in your bank account and forcefully make you go into debt and make you worry so much as you don't have much? Then it's really a bad idea. First, you need to understand that the person you might want to imitate might have a reason for living the way they do, and comparing your lifestyle to another makes you lose your true self. You should find your true self and create your own lifestyle. One of the fastest ways to be unhappy is to compare yourself with or imitate other people. Tip number 4. Don't live above your means. Living above your means to meet up with the societal expectations won't make you any happier, but put you into financial danger, which will eventually lead to depression. To live a happy life with little money, you have to learn to live within your means. You don't have to spend so much money buying things that won't solve your immediate problems. Why spend the money you don't have to impress people you don't need, only for you to be unhappy after then? Tip number 5. Make budgets. As you are living the lifestyle you have ever wanted and staying out of debt, you should also make a budget of how to spend the little you have, because budgeting leads to happiness. Dr. Matt J. Gorin of the University of Georgia explained that budgeting allows us to focus our financial resources on expenses that actually improve our quality of life, while spending less on things that don't provide so much value for us. So you have it. Make a list of what is important and spend your little money on it. Tip number 6. Invest. How can anyone with no money ever invest? Yes, we believe everyone can invest, even if that means your time or a few dollars in your financial education. The more education you get about how money works, the higher your self-esteem will be and the happier you will be. Not just that, the financial education you get will eventually make you rich. Tip number 7. Embrace minimalism. Ever heard of the popular quote, "Less is more"? Well, if you haven't, it's all about minimalism. Minimalism is an act of living happily with the little that you have and having no interest in wanting to acquire more. This lifestyle is popularly being practiced by some residents of Japan, and it's interestingly spreading its roots to other countries of the world. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle will make you to spend less in things that are unnecessary, and by this, you are able to save more and pay attention to things that matters. Bonus tip. Because you stayed till the end of this video, we want to give you a bonus tip. Stay healthy. A healthy body is a healthy mind. Over the years, numerous psychologists and health and fitness experts have proven that exercising and staying fit can help to energize the body and change a negative mood to a positive one. A simple exercise of 20 to 30 minutes can give you a lasting positive mood of 12 hours because exercising increases the endorphins and other feel-good brain chemicals in the brain. Exercise reduces the level of the stress hormones cortisol and adrenaline in the body, and it's only a remedy for depression and anxiety. So, it's quite simple to say that if you're feeling down, your body might just be lacking some exercise. Just remember, you don't need a vigorous exercise to be happy. A simple brisk walking outside might just do the trick. And just as you are exercising to stay healthy, do not forget to also eat right to stay healthy. This is because happiness and food are connected. Eating the right meals can possibly change your mood. Eating food that has protein, vitamins, fibers, and vegetables can be very benefiting to your mood. So, instead of devouring your favorite junks, you should consider switching to healthy meals. In conclusion, don't forget that happiness is rarely what you get by having more money. Happiness is what you get by being grateful, loving yourself, and stop living above your means. Now let's discuss. What would you like to add to this video? How have you been able to be cheerful even when you don't have much money? We love to read your comments. If you love this video, our team will be very happy if you can like and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, consider subscribing because we'll bring to you daily the secrets of success and happiness from great people and good books. We love you.